Check out another fresh trade-in here at Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Call us 734-453-3600. 2017 Honda CRV Touring, all-wheel drive with 147,000 miles on it. Well maintained. These tires are like new. They got the real nice Michelin cross climate tires. You can see the tread is really good. Those are a great all-season, all-weather tire. Especially with the all-wheel drive system, this thing would be hard to get stuck. You got lots of lots of capability with this car, on road and off. Dual exhaust with the Touring, power lift gate, lots of features. Alloy wheels, privacy glass in the rear, chrome trim, body colored door handles, mirrors. Show you there. Wheels are in great shape. Again, those new tires. Back up, give you the side view. Again, just to recap, 2017 Honda CRV Touring with 147,000 miles. We check it out from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to specification. We back it with a 90-day warranty on this one. The engine, the transmission, and the drive axles are all covered for 3 months or 3,000 miles. So the major stuff, if they were to break, is taken care of here at Victory Honda of Plymouth. Comes with 2 sets of keys, all the books, the manuals, the Carfax report. Just a quick peek on the inside, leather interior there. It's got that wood grain trim. Lots of features, moonroof on the top. Come check it out today, Victory Honda of Plymouth. We look forward to helping you out. This one's going home with the new owners soon. This will not last. Thanks.